The tool showed up 300 years before the thing it was built for. Screwdrivers existed long before screws were ever mass-produced. In the 1400s, craftsmen invented the turnscrew to assemble suits of armor and early firearms. That's the original screwdriver. But every single screw back then was hand-forged by a blacksmith. No two were exactly alike, so your screwdriver only fit your screws. Screws didn't become standardized until the Industrial Revolution. Henry Maudslay's screw-cutting lathe around 1800 finally made interchangeable screws possible. Normally, tools get built to fit things that already exist. This time, the tool waited 3 centuries for its invention to catch up. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.